Jordan with MasterBlend here. I want to talk about two of our odor control products and specifically how to use them when deodorizing an area rug, an oriental rug with pet urine odor concerns. You're going to start by mixing 16 ounces of Urine Lock and 16 ounces of Skunk Odor in a 5-gallon bucket of lukewarm water. Maybe cold, lukewarm, somewhere in there. Definitely not super hot. The active enzymes in these products do not like high heat. You're going to want to stay under 110, 105 degrees and lower to keep those enzymes active. Mix that up in a 5-gallon bucket. Take another 5-gallon bucket, and what we like to do in our plant, we take a drill bit and drill holes in the bottom of the 5-gallon bucket, and you're able to set that on the rug, and you got a nice shower feed action from that bucket. So take your full bucket with your Urine Lock and Skunk Odor mixture, pour it into the bucket with the drilled holes, and liberally apply that all over the rug. Use a rug squeegee, work that into the fibers of the rug, flip it over, apply it to the back, and allow about 20 to 30 minutes dwell time for these enzymes to really break down those odors. What's great about these two products is that they are already packed with extremely effective surfactants. So you can clean and deodorize in the same step. There's no extra shampoo needed. You can work straight from these two products with oriental rugs and provide your deodorizing and your cleaning agent all in one product. After they've soaked for about 20 or 30 minutes, come back, agitate the rug using a deck brush, soft bristle brush, Cymax with soft bristles, whatever you use to agitate the rug, go ahead and perform that step. The next step is going to be a thorough rinsing of the rug. Utilizing a squeegee, a pressure washer, whatever your tools are, you can perform this method using these two products. But you're going to rinse the remainder of the product and the urine out of the rug using the squeegee and water and flushing that out of the rug. Remove as much water as you can from the rug using a rinser wringer, a centrifuge, or extraction, whatever method you have will work, and get it dry as fast as possible. Place some air movers on it. Dry it face down flat. That dry time is going to be super critical in helping you achieve the best result. Inspect the rug after dry. You should find that these two products have neutralized the odor. And they just have really performed excellent in our business. I've seen it work for countless people across the country, that these two products are their go-to for solving urine odor issues in oriental rugs.